cool car envy. We love nice cars.
Alright, so the latest news in the world of cars is Dodge has decided to pretty much blow up the entire company. I guess what happened is all the top executives got together and had a meeting and decided the simplest plan was to do this.
Knock down that wall, knock down that wall, and knock down that fucking wall.
So if you haven't already heard by now, Dodge decided to discontinue the Charger, the Challenger, the Hellcat, and Ram is discontinuing the Hemi V8. I'll read you a little piece from an article and also give you some reasons why I think they might be doing this. Dodge is shifting focus to develop new, more intelligent technologies. They are trying to embrace a rapidly evolving industry with fresh ideas. Ram is planning to cease production of their high-performance pickup truck by the end of 2023, which is already gone. The Hemi fades away as Stellantis electrifies its Ram trucks. Now let me know what you guys think of that in the comments. And here's the thing, I know we're trying to get away from fossil fuels and save the environment, but I just don't think the technology's quite there yet. We've seen a lot of problems recently with the charging issues and the extreme cold. But I think more importantly, it's a cost issue. A lot of these cars are just too expensive nowadays and people can't afford to take on these payments, these high interest rates. It's impossible. You hear about tons of cars getting repoed, and then a lot of these cars probably end up at auction, and then the dealers are paying a lot of money for them, so then they have to charge you more money. Long story short, I think the company needs to start listening to the customers, coming down on the prices, and building the cars that the people want to buy. And you just hate to see these cars disappear. So I don't really know who's running the ship over there, or if they know what they're doing, but they definitely need to figure out a different way to reel in more customers. We've seen a lot of different Dodges come and go, and some of them come back, so maybe in the future some of these ones will come back. And if they do, hopefully they won't be an all-electric, but some kind of a hybrid, maybe with the V8 engine. Until they can make an electric car with a manual transmission and an exhaust rumble, I'm not quite ready to switch over yet. But it's really up to the CEO, corporate executives, and right now, they're not making a lot of money. They're trying to figure out what to do differently. The die-hard Dodge people are furious. They're out there in the streets looking for answers. You guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. Please hit subscribe and we'll see you on the next one.